Hey there! Today, we're diving into a battle of laser levels. On one side, we've got the budget-friendly CIGMAN CM505 sent by a sponsor, and on the other, a professional-grade BOSCH GLL L3-80. Let's see how they perform, and more importantly, how they help me level the ground on my property.
Hello everyone, today I'm in a little bit different location than normally, not on my construction site. This is because I received a package from CIGMAN company. I received this laser. This is a laser level and I will be trying out this product. I got one laser, but it's a bit different, more professional. This is more like for amateur purposes one. And there is a task on my construction site that this will fit perfectly because my ground is really unlevel, the soil is on different position. So right now, before the winter, I would like to have like one flat surface around the house. So to do that, I need to have something to level it out. So I think that this laser will work just perfectly. So we will check this out soon. But of course, to be more accurate, I will take my old Bosch laser as well and we will compare the visibility of the laser beam and we will see how this works.
I'm getting closer to reaching 1,000 subscribers and I've decided it's time to celebrate together. For this episode, I've planned something exciting, a giveaway. The prize? This fantastic amateur laser level, the CIGMAN CM505. Be sure to watch the video carefully for all the details on how to participate and the rules of the giveaway. A quick note, due to logistics, I can only ship the prize to the USA, Canada, or Europe. The goal here is simple. I need to determine the high and low points on my property to prep for the next steps of my project. Let's compare how these tools handle it. The CIGMAN CM505 offers a 360-degree horizontal beam, adjustable brightness, and a rechargeable battery. On the other hand, the BOSCH GLL 3-80 is a professional tool known for its precision and reliability. Let's see how they handle real-world challenges. On my property, I marked the intended floor level for the house I'm building. To ensure the ground level is consistent, I want it to be 0.5 meters below the floor level. Using the laser level, I measured the distance from the laser beam and began placing wooden sticks to indicate the desired ground level across the site. First test, visibility in bright sunlight. Both lasers claim to have excellent visibility, but let's see how they handle a 5-meter distance. Both struggled in direct sunlight, but the Bosch's red beam seemed slightly clearer. Interestingly, the CIGMAN outperformed when it came to self-leveling in windy conditions. If you're thinking about getting this tool for Christmas, I've got you covered. I'm leaving a link to the official website where you can grab it at a really great price. Don't miss out. The CIGMAN's auto-leveling was quick. That's a win for the budget tool. And that wrapped up the work for the day. In the bright sunlight, both laser beams were difficult to see beyond a distance of 5 meters. I did a quick check in the shade to compare their visibility and confirmed that I would need to wait for cloudy conditions. It's worth noting that neither of these laser levels is specifically designed for outdoor use. On a cloudy day, the conditions were much more favorable for the laser. Let's see how far the CIGMAN beam can go now. The laser level comes with a convenient magnetic base, which I decided to put to use right away. The CIGMAN's green beam was bright and easy to see, even at 20 meters. For general leveling, it did a great job. Using the CIGMAN, I placed these markers to visualize the high and low spots on the property. The 360-degree beam made it easy to adjust everything from one central position. When I first started building my house, I thought I needed something super professional, incredibly accurate, and high-end. At that point, I didn't have much experience with either construction or laser levels, so I invested a lot of money into a top-tier professional model. But now, with the experience and knowledge I've gained, I wouldn't spend that much on a Bosch laser level again. Instead, I'd save a ton of money and go for something like the CIGMAN CM505. You might be wondering why. The reason is simple. I've never truly needed the precision of a high-end Bosch laser. In practice, all my measurements have been a little off here and there. And it's not the laser's fault, it's just part of the process when you're working with your hands. If you're an amateur like me, this CIGMAN laser is far more accurate than a manual level, and considering the price, the value is unbeatable. For most DIY builders, it's more than enough to get the job done, without breaking the bank.
Okay guys, so to be honest, I really like this laser level and I'm not so keen to give it away so easily. So let's add some rules to our small competition. If you want to get this laser, this video has to get like 2000 of views and 100 likes. If this condition will be met, then one of you will get the laser for free. To get that, you need to leave a comment down below with hashtag laser level. And I will describe this in the description of this material. So guys, good luck.
What I love about the CIGMAN CM505 is the thoughtful inclusion of a range of practical accessories. The laser itself is neatly packed in a durable and stylish case, ensuring it stays safe and organized. Its magnetic bottom is a game changer for quick setup, and it comes with a tripod and an additional magnetic base for even more versatility. The laser offers adjustable brightness settings, a rechargeable battery for convenience, and a compact, lightweight design that's easy to handle. The magnetic base is especially handy for attaching to metal surfaces securely, and the 360-degree rotation provides excellent flexibility for various tasks. It's a well-rounded tool that delivers both performance and convenience.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment to enter the prize draw. The winner will be announced during the live stream on December 14th, 2024. So be sure to tune in. Good luck and see you again.